Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and this is my 1980. Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and this is my 1980 Ferrari 308 GTSi. Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and this is my 1918 Ferrari 308 GTSi, but you already know that, and you also know that I've been sick. I've been a lot of things, so I wasn't able to work on my Ferrari. Still not feeling okay, but a lot better. So much better that I've wasted a lot of time polishing the other cars, or the Ford, learning new polishing skills, and pretty happy with it. You know what? I'm gonna show you what I've done. Because we're learning a lot right now about polishing, and all will benefit the Ferrari, of course, when it's finished. But before we go back to the Ferrari project, I want to show you what I've done. I've bought, you already know, I bought a polishing machine and some materials, like the polish, the medium cut, the high cut, etc. And I have done the side of the Ford. I hope you can see it, but it's absolutely shining and it feels really smooth. And you know, the funny part is there were a lot of scratches on the car, and they all are gone. We removed them all, and I really like working on the car and removing damage. So the next thing we're gonna do on the Ford, and I'm gonna try to find a place, because I only did the sides for now, but for example, can you see it here? I've done a paint touch-up, and of course I was a noob when I did it, so it doesn't look good. I'm gonna close it up because it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. I was a noob when I did it, but I've got the materials to sand it down, make it look beautiful, and then polish it. But I'm still a little bit nervous, because what if I ruin the paint? So I'm gonna have to find a place where you can't see it, where I can do some testing before I actually gonna touch up the paint correction marks I've made. For now, what I do, and this is a process you can learn, I think, from. When I wash the car, I've been working it now on it. I've been working on it for about 4 days now, and every day I start with a wash up, clean the car, take one panel, polish it, remove the scratches, and then clean it all up, put some wax on it, temporary, because when I finish the complete car, what I have to do right now is the hood, the bumpers, and the roof. When these are finished, we're gonna maybe just buy some glass coating or something if I have enough money, because that's expensive. But maybe put a coating on it, and then she will be fine for at least a year. No scratches, no damage. What I want to learn, and if you know some methods I can use, is how to remove a dent. There's a little dent in one of the doors that I would love to remove. I already removed the scratches around it, but the dent is still there, and it's annoying because the car is looking more beautiful every day. But at least what the method I use is I clean the car, take one panel, quit when I'm tired, or in my case, due to the sickness, I can't continue or have to go to work, or my girls need me. Next time, wash it again, do the other panel, and every time we get a little bit further. Once the Ford is done, we're gonna start with the BMW. That one needs a lot of work, because I've driven now about 2,000 kilometers in this car, I will still learn. Mechanical, she's perfect, but there are some flaws in the paint that need to be corrected. Nevertheless, wasted another 4 minutes of your life. The Ferrari. I found the wheel arches. I almost forgot these. They were lying in the shed somewhere behind. So that's a job that we're gonna do, not today, but very soon. We need to repair some cracks and then get them painted. And today what I want to do with you guys is we are going to make only one small job, but we're gonna make this gap because I'm pretty nervous about that one. So let's get started. We're going to have to cut this hole, and I've drawn here the gap I think I need, but I am a little bit insecure about this one. Simply because what if I'm a little bit off? I can ruin this piece right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of cardboard, put it into place, make sure that we have a gap that I like, that fits, then put it back over this part, and then we're going to cut it. So this is the form we were looking for, and I guess it's a good thing that I did it like this, because it was just a little bit different than I first thought it would be. So we got the mock-up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put this one over the real part and then cut it. Okay guys, I'm pretty happy. This is what it looks like right now. So it looks good. We're gonna do some adjustment on this part and that part. Just make it a little bit better. Then we have the down part. I'm not really happy with it because you can clearly see that this part has shrunken in time, but there's nothing much I can do about it except for removing the screw pieces, but I don't think I want that. But for now, let me adjust these two. Well, that sucks. Well, as you can see, looks good. I adjusted the holes where the can you see that one? These fall in. Just learned that we need to wear gloves when working on a fiberglass part. So what I wanted to do now was fix the holes with some resin and fiberglass cloth parts. But I only have the resin, so I have to go to the shop, and that's hard, tricky, because the shop is already closed. That means that I'm again stuck. Okay, so never mind. I did more than I did in weeks. So it's a small job, but every small job, every small step we take is one step closer to having an actual Ferrari that drives. So okay, so sorry guys. It kind of sucks. It's not like you can go to the neighbors and say, do you have some fiberglass cloth for me? Never mind. It's okay. You know what? Thank you again for watching. See you again next time. And I promise you next time we are going to finish that part, and we're going to start working on the suspension parts that we need to do so the car can go to Guus to get the engine back in. See you again next time. Goodbye.